Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto Market Updates. We're having a very green week in the cryptocurrency market. This month has been nice. All coins in the market. We saw Bitcoin having a very great October. Bitcoin went up by over 20% in the month of October, rallying up to as high as $35,000. Can Bitcoin hit that 40,000 level in November of 2023? In this video, we'll be taking a look at news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. Sam Bankman-Fried has been found guilty on all 7 counts of fraud. We're taking a look at other news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. All seasons around the corner. Even though we're still in Bitcoin season, we're expecting to see all coins pump to higher prices. Sentiment in the market is still greed. What will happen in the cryptocurrency market if we see extreme greed? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Bitcoin, the king of the market, trades above $34,000. Bitcoin has had a crazy year. We saw Bitcoin start the year around $16,000. But ever since then, Bitcoin has been pumping to higher prices, getting to as high as $35,000. Bitcoin has gone up by more than 100% since the start of the year. We're expecting to see the altcoin market follow suit. The king of all coins in the market, Ethereum, has still not broken into new highs in the year, still lagging behind Bitcoin. Ethereum started the year at $1,186. We've seen Ethereum rally up to as high as $2,100. It was up 80% in the start of the year. Right now, Ethereum is only up 52%. Will Ethereum catch up to Bitcoin? How long will it take for that to happen? Guys, we have to go to Altcoin Season Index for that answer. The Altcoin Season Index tells us right now we're in Bitcoin season. This index tells us where capital is lying in the cryptocurrency market. If capital is in the Bitcoin market or in the altcoin market. If we see it flashing alt season, it means capital is in the altcoin market. If it's flashing Bitcoin season, capital resides in the Bitcoin market. The last 90 days has seen Bitcoin outperforming the altcoin market. But guys, the good news is that we're starting to see a lot of altcoins catch up to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is up 23% over the last 90 days. We already have at least 8 altcoins that perform better than Bitcoin. The more altcoins we see performing better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days will lead us towards alt season. And 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days will officially be in alt season. So the trick is to buy these altcoins in Bitcoin season and you want to sell them in alt season. And that's why we're seeing Ethereum underperform against Bitcoin right now, because we're still in Bitcoin season. When we get to alt season, reverse will be the case. Ethereum will start outperforming Bitcoin. But be careful out there, guys. Liquidations in the market have been rising. A lot of market participants are using leverage right now to buy on the dip. You want to avoid that. In the last 24 hours, over 50,000 traders have been liquidated, with the largest liquidation happening on BitMEX. One trader was liquidated for $2 million, and the total liquidation is coming in at $129 million. Sentiment in the market is great. We have seen fear in the cryptocurrency market. We have seen extreme fear. We have seen neutral sentiment. Over the last 1 year, this bear market has been long. This bear market has been brutal. But right now, we're finally seeing greed in the cryptocurrency market. We're yet to see extreme greed. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is as high as it was at the top of the bull market. So a lot of people are getting very, very greedy. But when this indicator starts smashing extreme greed, when the indicator starts flashing extreme greed, guys, that's when you want to be running for the hills. By that time, all coins would have been pumping to higher prices. Those all coins are up double-digit gains right now. In the next few days and the next few weeks, we expect to see the altcoin market having triple-digit gains. Bitcoin started rallying towards $40,000. We see Ethereum catching up to Bitcoin, maybe passing the $2,000 level. Things might get crazy very, very quickly. Let's take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. What have they been up to over the last 7 days? Over the last 7 days, Bitcoin is up 1.73%. Bitcoin trades above $34,000. Ethereum, the king of all coins in the market, just sits behind Bitcoin over the last 7 days in its performance with a market cap of $216 billion. Ethereum is up 1.36% in the last 7 days. BNB is at number 4. XRP is at number 5. BNB and XRP are seeing slight increase in the last 7 days. XRP seeing a 9.5% increase. And the biggest gainer for another week running has been Solana. Solana has been having huge gains. In the last 7 days, Solana has gone up 21%. We've seen Cardano ADA gone up 14%. Dogecoin is down 3%, and Tron is up 5%. So good times are returning to the cryptocurrency market slowly but surely. Let's take a look at the top gainers in the last 7 days. Let's look at the altcoins that have been making huge gains in the last 7 days. Also the altcoins that have gotten huge losses. For the altcoins that have huge gains in the last 7 days, ARWeave has gone up 31%, Near Protocol is up 30%, Torchain is up 29%, Pancakes up 25%, and we have Solana up 21%. The loser section, Pepe has lost 10% of its value. We have Quant down 8%, Conflux 8%, Rocket Pool 4%, and Maker 4%. So where we're heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks, let's take a look at news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. There's a lot of bullish news coming out this week, guys. That's what you expect anytime the market is pumping. Bullish news front, left, and center. But guys, it's something I've been noticing in the news of late, and that is the CBDC news. A lot of governments are doing research into CBDC. I'll not be shocked if by 2024 we start hearing rollouts of CBDCs from major governments around the world. Tether issues $610 million debt financing to Bitcoin miners, not data. And UK to invest £300 million into AI supercomputers. And Swiss wholesale CBDC pilot kicks off in alliance with central and commercial banks. PayPal faces SEC actions relating to PYUSD stablecoins. Remember, earlier in the year, we had PayPal releasing their own stablecoins, PUSD. We're hearing that it received a subpoena from the SEC concerning that stablecoins. Hong Kong issues rules for asset tokenization as interest mounts, and we had safe hackers using centralized exchange. No, not that news. But we saw the creators of SafeMoon getting arrested. We don't know why they got arrested, but we hear that they are under custody right now. 3 Satoshi era Bitcoin wallet transfer $230 million in Bitcoin after 6-year dormancy. ProShares announced launch of short Bitcoin linked ETF. Guys, this has always been a bad news. Anytime you're hearing that an ETF is going to be launched, that usually marks the top or it usually marks the bottom. And over half of musicians concerned over audience perception of AI. Dubai VARA grants initial approval of crypto from Wadzi. So let's take a look at that ProShare news. ProShare announces launch of short Ethereum linked ETF. ProShare's new short Ethereum its strategy is set to start trading on NYC Akka under the ticker symbol SETC. When will that trading happen? On the 2nd of November. It was launched on the 2nd of November. So guys, maybe just maybe the top is in. In my own experience in this market, anytime we start hearing news about new ETF being launched, that usually signifies the top. And we're hearing that SBF has been found guilty on all 7 charges that was brought against him. He might be heading to jail very soon. We're sure, and the judgment will be passed very soon. But SBF has been found guilty on all 7 charges in the FTX fraud trial. SEC seeks summary judgment on Dequal and Terraform Labs case. The market right now just looks for anything to pump. Any news that comes out sends the market going to higher prices. But more importantly, we had that Coinbase narrows loss while crypto trading volumes falls in Q3. That would have accounted for a lot of dump in prices we saw over the last few months in Q3. Q3 was a very terrible time for the altcoin market. It was a very terrible time for the cryptocurrency market. But Q4 has always been known to be a good time. Q4 has been a time when we'll be pumping to higher prices. We'll be shouting kumbaya because we are shooting to the moon as greed has returned back to the cryptocurrency market and we are expecting alt season. Now let's take a look at our general market index, total crypto market cap, the altcoin market. What's the altcoin market saying? How high do we expect to see the altcoin market go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Total crypto market cap got to as high as $1.26 trillion. But that $1.26 trillion level is a very important level we've been talking about for a very long time. We're yet to see the total crypto market cap conveniently blast above it. In the coming days and the coming weeks, I expect us to see the total crypto market cap rally to as high as $1.63 trillion. We have seen Bitcoin rally above that 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level. I will expect to see total crypto market cap join Bitcoin very quickly. The altcoin market is still lagging behind. The altcoin market, excluding both Bitcoin and Ethereum, is still trading around $365 billion. We are yet to crack that $450 billion level. If the altcoin market is going to catch up to Bitcoin, catch up to Ethereum, we should see it trading around the $486 billion level and probably getting to as high as the $611 billion region before the end of the year. So where's Bitcoin dominance heading to in the coming days and coming weeks? Remember, Bitcoin dominance is one of the important index we watch out for, because guys, if Bitcoin dominance starts dumping, we expect capital to start flowing into the altcoin market, as that might be the signal we've been waiting for to start that big alt season. We've always seen alt season in previous years. We saw alt season in 2020, 2021, 2022, 2019, 2018. We are yet to see alt season in 2023, and I believe alt season is around the corner. Bitcoin dominance has been very bullish since September of 2022. Bitcoin dominance has rallied up 39%, getting to as high as 54%. Now, if we see Bitcoin dominance dumping in the coming days and the coming weeks, that capital will slowly flow into the altcoin market, which will send altcoins pumping to higher prices, which will send sentiment in the market going to extreme green. Right now, there's green around the market. A lot of altcoins are having double-digit gains, guys. By the end of the month, we hope to have triple-digit gains across the board. Some news stories in the cryptocurrency market: Marathon Digital will use landfill methane to mine Bitcoin in Utah pilot project. Bitcoin price cools off, but you can never have too much. Michael Saylor, just had Michael Saylor had more Bitcoin that he purchased, over $5 million some few days ago. XRP turned win approval in Dubai International Finance Center free trade zone. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. The market is green. We're having a great month. We're expecting all season. We're expecting meme coin season. Is your bags ready? Are you ready for that big pump to the high side? How high do you see the altcoin market going? How high do you see the total crypto market going before the end of the year? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.